Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lenny. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, thanks for coming back. I see you. So I've seen a lot of comments on my previous videos, especially the ones that have to do with creating an avatar for your Faceless social media platform or YouTube channels. And a lot of people requested that I walk you through the process I take to create my own avatar for my own channel. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to be providing the step-by-step guide on how you can also create an avatar like what I have on my channel, but your own Faceless YouTube channel. I promise no gatekeeping. I'm gonna be showing you all the tools I use. To be honest, I've done tutorials about most of these tools already on my platform, so this video will basically be combining all the tools I use and the steps I take to create my avatar, to create my videos. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd encourage you to hit the subscription button and also turn on the notification bell so that you never miss an update. So now let's dive right in. So there's step 2, creating your avatar, is to first decide on the niche you want to be in and then create a personality based on that niche. So for instance, Lenny was the personality I created for this channel because this channel is a channel for tutorials on AI tools and also technology tools in general. I basically wanted a personality that would showcase a Black American girl who is so passionate about technology, so passionate about AI, which is why I went with the Lenny personality. So the first step I would recommend you have is to just think about the type of personality you want to have for your channel and then create an image with regards to that personality. Once you decide on who the personality is, the next step is to come into Leonardo.ai. So I've already done an in-depth tutorial on how to use Leonardo.ai. I'll link it in this video so that you can go check it out. Leonardo.ai, you can use it for so many things at regards to image generation. So you can generate logos, images. There are a lot of different things you can do with Leonardo.ai. I recommend you go check it out, and I recommend you check out my last video where I provide in-depth tutorial on how to use the tool. For the purposes of this tutorial, I just want to generate an image of a beautiful African American girl who loves technology. And as you can see, a number of images have already been created here for me. So basically, in order to generate this, you put in the prompts in here like I have, and then you click on generate. Once you click on generate, you're gonna get images of African American girls, very beautiful girls who love technology. So as you can see, this girl here is holding an iPad, this is holding a phone. There's also this image as well. Oh, I am basically going to, let's see what I'm gonna select. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go with this girl. Once the image has been generated, the next step for me is to go into Canva. To be honest, you can really skip this Canva step. The reason why I choose to come into Canva is to just add some brightness to the image. So basically, when you come into Canva, you just have to drag the image into Canva, and then you click on the image, and then you click on edit. And then what you do next is you can basically adjust the brightness, the contrast, add some highlights, some shadows. To be honest, like I said, usually the images generated by Leonardo.ai are high quality anyways, so you don't always have to come in here and do anything to the image. You can basically just leave the image the way it is and you would love it, to be honest. So once you are done with editing the image, you can basically download the image. So in order to download the image, you just click on share, and then you click on download, and then you select the particular page you're on, which is page 1, and then I'm going to click on done, and then you click on download. So now that you have the image downloaded onto your computer, the next step has to do with your voice. So I already also do have a tutorial on how I change my voice using 11 Labs. I'm also going to link it in this video so that you can go check it out. To be honest with you, 11 Labs does a lot of things. So it's not just about changing your voice. It's going to clean your audio as well. If you're a YouTuber, you know what good audio does to your video. So I just recommend that you check out that video as well, because you'd learn a few things about 11 Labs as well. I must mention that there is a free version for 11 Labs, but really depending on the type of videos you want to make, you may want to get the paid version as well. Maybe you want to make so many videos in a month, so maybe the free version wouldn't really work for you. With a free version, it comes with about 10,000 credits. So you just decide, you can try it out and see if you like it. I have a link as well in the description box that you can try out as well. You get a free trial with that link. You first have to record the audio. So when it comes to recording the audio, I basically got an audio recorder of Amazon to record my audios. I would leave the link to that as well in the description box as well, so that you know the exact audio recorder I use. Then you basically record your audio. If you don't want to record your audio and you just want to let your avatar read off a script, then you could basically come into text to speech, and then you put in your text here, and then you click on generate speech. On my videos, I usually record my audio first, just when I want it to be unique, and then I click on upload audio. So once you click on upload audio, you upload the audio into 11 Labs, and then you click on generate speech. So once you click on generate speech, it's just going to take a while to generate. And then once the speech is generated, the download button is going to show up here. And then all you have to do is to click on download. Okay, now that my audio is ready, the next step is to go into DID. And I'm not sure if I made a tutorial about DID. I made a tutorial about other platforms as well, but not exactly DID. I would link the video to the alternate platform you could use in this video as well, so that you will check them out, so that you can try out DID and you can try out those platforms as well and see which one works best for you. But for me, I use DID. It works for me, so I'm stuck with it for good, for now at least. And then you have to log in. As usual, I say that I recommend that you log in. I recommend that you create an account so that you don't lose any of your work. It's always good to log in, okay? And you can log in with using your Gmail account, Facebook, or you can create your own email password and use that. So when you come into DID Studio, the first step is to click on create video. As you can see, they do have premium avatars. These are predefined avatars that they've created, but you really want to have a custom avatar, which is why I'm making this video. Then you come in here, you click on create, you click on standard avatar, and then you select the image you're going for, which is this one, and then you give a title to your video. I'm just gonna say AI avatar. You can select the emotions, whether you want the natural, surprise, serious, happy. You can really decide how you want to position it. And like I said, when it comes to the script, again, you can basically either type in your script or you can record your script. It really depends on the type of channel you're going for. For some channels, you may just want to read off a script, maybe a history channel. But for a channel like mine, which I am giving a tutorial, I really don't want to read off a script because otherwise it may be boring. If we miss the whole point of it. So I want my videos to be as engaging as possible, which is why I really recommend that if you have any comments about my videos or if there's anything you want to see, why don't you leave that in the comment section so that I can get to it, I can create videos. Just let me know what exactly you want me to do videos on, and I'm definitely going to do that. I'm going to stick to my promise. So click on audio. You can record your audio in the tool, or you can upload your own audio. I've already changed my voice in my audio. I'm just going to upload that in here. And once that is uploaded, I'm just going to click on generate video and click on let's go. So it's going to take me, this audio is about 2 minutes long and it's taking 9 credits. So I only have 11 credits left. So let's click on let's go. But I'm going to also leave the link to DID Studio in the description box as well, so that you can go check it out. Okay, so I just got notified that my video has been generated. Once I have my video generated, the final step for me is to go into CapCut. So I download this video onto my laptop and then I go into CapCut. So if you don't know, CapCut essentially is the video editing software I use. I've been using it for a while now. To be honest, I feel like CapCut is quite easy to use, which is why I prefer to use CapCut. But if you have any other video editing platform which you use, then you could basically use it. You don't necessarily need to use CapCut, but I have used CapCut. I think it works great, and that's what it has to do for me. It's quite easy for me to use, which is why I still use CapCut. I'm going to leave the link to CapCut as well in the description box so that I can go check it out. So when I get to this point, I would usually either decide to give it an overlay, change the background. Really depends on the type of video I'm doing, but I typically change the background so I don't use like there is no background of my avatar. For my videos, I usually would remove the background. I already have a tutorial on how to change the background of an image of a video. I'll also link it in this tutorial so that you can go check it out. Basically, you need to have a video which I downloaded off the internet. I'm gonna drag that video into the main time frame here, and then I'll put my avatar video on top of it. And I'm just gonna click on the avatar video and then just click on auto removal. As you can see, the background has been removed. So at this point, I try to reduce the size of my avatar so that it's proportional to the background, so that it looks like avatar is actually in the background, so that it looks a lot more realistic. And then I add any audios I want to add. I typically would go for lo-fi music. I'm just gonna add the audio to my video by dragging it down here, reduce the sound. My avatar is ready, my video is ready. I'm just gonna play the final output so that you see how it looks.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lenny, and today I've got something really exciting for you, especially if you've been wanting.
So as you can see, my avatar has been created, and I can assure you guys this is exactly the steps I take to create my avatar. Anytime I do a video, I definitely don't have to generate the image several times. I just use one image that I have generated from Leonardo.ai, but I definitely have to change my voice all the time. I definitely have to use DID Studio all the time. And I definitely have to edit everything, put everything together in CapCut. So yeah, I know the tutorial is a bit longer, but hopefully you found it helpful. Like I mentioned, I already do have tutorials on how to use Leonardo.ai, how to use 11 Labs, how to change the background of a video. I'm gonna link all those videos in this video as well. I'm gonna actually leave them on the screen so that you can go check them out. I also do have other videos on how to create avatars using other tools that I've tried out. I would also link those as well in the video so that you can go check those ones out as well. But for now, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one.